Namaskar. Now I request Supriya Tai Laturkar to please commence the program. Supriya Tai.
येस. कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात 3 ओंकार आणि प्रार्थनेने करणार आहोत आणि त्यानंतर एक गीत होईल. सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. चिर विजय की कामना ले वीर का श्रृंगार कर. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. डर नहीं तूफान बादल का अंधेरी रात का. डर नहीं है धूर्त दुनिया के कपट के घात का. नयन में ध्रुव ध्येय के अनुरूप ही दृढ़ भाव भर. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. सिंधु से है अरुण तक योगी शिला से मानस. वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम गूंजते हैं विश्व जननी प्रार्थना के उच्च स्वर. सुप्त भावों को जगा उत्साह का संचार कर. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. ले चले है भरा मन में तपस्वी मुनिवरों का त्याग है. और हृदयों में हमारे वीरता की आग है. हाथ है उद्योग में रत राष्ट्र सेवा धार कर. ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. ले चले धन्यवाद.
Shraddha, please take over the program.
Thank you, Supriya, for creating such a wonderful and auspicious atmosphere. Now I will request Mr. Jagjit Kulkarni to present Vivek Vani.
धन्यवाद. आवाज ऐकू येतोय का?
हो येतोय दादा.
हा, धन्यवाद. स्वामी विवेकानंदांनी ज्या विचाराद्वारे भारतीयांच्या मनात आत्मविश्वासाचं आणि सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोनाचं बीजारोपण केलं, असे विचार, अशी विवेकवाणी आपण ऐकणार आहोत. स्वामीजी म्हणतात, विश्वास विश्वास विश्वास, स्वतःवर विश्वास, ईश्वरावर विश्वास. महानतेचे हेच रहस्य पुराणात सांगितलेले आहे. पुराणात वर्णिलेल्या 33 कोटी देवांवर व परकीयांनी वेळोवेळी तुमच्यामध्ये रूढ केलेल्या समस्त देवतांवर तुमचा विश्वास असला पण स्वतःवर मात्र नसला तर तुम्हाला मुक्ती प्राप्त होणार नाही. स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेवा, तो अढळ राहू द्या आणि शक्तिशाली बना. कर्म करणं फार चांगलं आहे, पण त्याचा उगम होत असतो चिंतनातून, विचारातून. म्हणून आपला मेंदू उच्च विचारांनी, सर्वोच्च आदर्शांनी भरून टाका. रात्रंदिवस ते स्वतः समोर बाळगा आणि मग बघाल की त्यातून मोठमोठी कर्मे अद्भुत होत जाते. अपयशांकडे मुळीच लक्ष देऊ नका. अपयश येणं अगदी स्वाभाविक आहे. ते तर जीवनाचं सौंदर्य आहे. अपयशांखेरीज जीवन ते काय? या अपयशांवर मात करण्याची धडपड जर जीवनात नसेल तर ते असले अळणी जिणे जगण्यात तरी काय स्वारस्य आहे? अपयश नसेल तर जीवनात काहीच काव्य उरणार नाही. सफलता प्राप्त करण्याकरता जबरदस्त इच्छाशक्तीचा, प्रचंड आणि अविरत प्रयत्नांची आवश्यकता आहे. प्रयत्नशील माणूस म्हणत असतो की मी महासागर पिऊन टाकीन, माझ्या इच्छेने पर्वताचे चूर्ण विचूर्ण होऊन जाईल. अशाच प्रकारची अदम्य इच्छाशक्ती असू द्या. कठोर परिश्रम करा, मग ध्येय प्राप्ती ही निश्चित ठरलेलीच आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Jagjit Dada, for insights. Now, I would like to request Miss Arunatai Marathe for a brief about Vivekananda Kendra.
Okay. Shraddha,
Yes,
till
ma'am.
Arunatai join, we will go go with the next program. That is
Yes,
Kishore.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now, my friend Mohit will introduce our today's guest of honor, Mr. Kishore Kakade sir. Kishore Kakade sir has completed his BSc from GSS College, Belgaum. Served as science teacher in a village school of Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Sansthan, Satara, Maharashtra. Sir also worked as news reporter in Tarun Bharat Ranjunazar, and Kaifiyat Belgam. In 1975, at emergency time, Sir was a volunteer in JP movement and was jailed twice in Hindalaga jail from 1976 to 2013. For 37 years, worked at Kudremukh Iron Ore Co-op Government of India in Mangalore. Sir is also founder member of Mangalore Marathi Mandal and served as President, Secretary and Treasurer. After recruit after retirement in 2013, Sir was back to Belgaum and got involved in social activities through various organizations. Sir was also president of Kakade Foundation, member of Vivekananda Kendra, Belgaum since 1978. Sir visited Kanyakumari Rock Memorial in 2020. So far, Sir delivered more than 50 speeches on Savarkar and Bhagini Niveditaji. So now I would like to call Mr. Kishore Kakade, sir. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar, and I salute to the youth power or the digital power, and I salute to the students' power of IICMR, Nigadi, Pune. At the outset, I would like to pay my sincere homage to all those known and unknown people, or the relatives, or the friends, whether they belong to my family, whether they belong to my place Belagav, whether they belong to my Prant Karnataka or country India or the entire world, for having lost their lives unnecessarily because of this COVID pandemic. And therefore, I sincerely pay my homage to all those who have left. Friends, I like your wonderful logo of IICMR. Your logo says reaching new heights. Beautiful. That should be the aim before the students. The theme of this year's International Yoga Day is Yoga Kare, Ghar Par Rahe. That is, be with yoga and be at home. That is like work from home and yoga from home. In simple terms, at the beginning remarks only, you all discuss the benefits of yoga, what is yoga, etc., etc., etc. But in simple terms, I can say, which is applicable and perhaps palatable for the students, bend your body for making life straight. I will repeat, bend your body for making your life straight. And be good, do good. That is the message Swami Vivekananda has given. One more message, one word, one exercise, that is yoga. If you look at the logo of our International Day, Yoga Day, that says harmony and peace. Shanti और एकता के लिए योग. This is the era of package. When some big companies visit your institute for the campus interview, you all students will ask, what is my package? 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 6 lakhs, etc., etc. In the same terms, if I say that Surya Namaskar is the fantastic package of asanas, I repeat, Surya Namaskar is a fantastic package of all asanas, and yes, like oxygen, it is also free. Friends, this is not an event. I please repeat, I underscore it. I say this is not an event. Friends, this is a movement. And this movement is for our country and also for the entire world. Just now, a beautiful song was presented. I don't know her name. I appreciate. She said, ले चले हम राष्ट्र नौका को भंवर से पार कर. It's a beautiful song. With the kind permission of all of you, I will say the theme of yoga is ले चले हम विश्व नौका को भंवर से पार कर. Because India never thinks only about Indians. We always think about Indians and about others also. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manasi jayatam. This is a beautiful Sanskrit श्लोक. क्या है इसका अर्थ? मिलकर चलो, मिलकर बोलो. That means walk together, talk together. This reminds me a beautiful song which was produced by Doordarshan, and the song went like this: मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. केवल मेरा सुर नहीं, सुर हमारा बनना चाहिए ताकि हमें आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाना है. There is again beautiful Bollywood song. If you allow me to utter that song, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए. At the beginning session, one gentleman in a black t-shirt, he underlined the importance of सांसें, श्वास, breathing. I will change this song and say, योग की जरूरत है शरीर को और मन को भी. Friends, to continue this session, I will say, Corona taught us medication and meditation. I repeat, Corona taught us medication and meditation. Yoga means self-improvement and self-perfection. Please imagine if the entire students force of IICMR Pune Nigadi and the entire student force of the entire country think about self-improvement and self-perfection, then the day is not far which Abdul Kalam ji saw the dream to make India superpower. He saw this dream in 1998 and he wanted our India to become superpower in 2020. Nevertheless, we all students can definitely make this India superpower with yoga power. Vivekananda sat for 3 days and 3 nights on that rock in Kanyakumari amidst the lot of oceans. Just imagine, no WhatsApp, no food, no computer, no pizza, no burger. But he sat for 3 days and 3 nights on that rock. How he must have managed? He must have definitely managed with the yogic power and nothing else. Raj Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam, Chittarutti Nirodha, Ashtanga Sutra, all these things are available at your fingertips if you trouble Google Baba. If you trouble Google Baba, you will get all this information at your fingertips. But today and every day, you are supposed to follow not only Google Baba, but you are also supposed to follow Ramdev Baba also, because he is also available on our TV. There is one Sanskrit sentence, Shatahasta Samahara, Sahasrahasta Sankira. I will repeat, Shatahasta Samahara, Sahasrahasta Sankira. What is it meaning? We will collect with 100 hands, but when we distribute, we will distribute it with 1,000 hands. And that is the purpose of India. We Indians, we never send, we never export terrorism. We Indians, we never export virus. We Indians, we export spirituality, and we also export vaccines when entire world is suffering from corona. Indian youths are the ambassadors of Hindustan, and they are the proud ambassadors of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, I am from Belgaum, which is in Karnataka, and I proudly say that in October 1892, Swami Vivekananda came to Belgaum and stayed here for 12 long days. 12 दिवस स्वामी विवेकानंद बेळगावात राहिलेले आहेत. 12 दिन वो हमारे यहाँ ठहरे हैं. And I proudly say there are 2 beautiful memorials available in Belgaum. You can definitely come and visit Belgaum and see how Swami Vivekananda stayed here for more than 12 days. You are all students, and I know I'm talking to the students' power, Chhatra Shakti, Yuva Shakti, Desh Ki Shakti. It reminds me of a small Sanskrit shloka, and that shloka says, Kaka Cheshta, Bako Dhyanam, Shvana Nidra Tathaivacha, Alpahari Gruhatyagi, विद्यार्थी पंच लक्षणम. विद्यार्थियों के लिए 5 लक्षण इस संस्कृत श्लोक में बताए गए हैं. 5 लक्षण मीन्स दिस 5 क्वालिटीज स्टूडेंट शुड हैव. व्हाट इज दैट? 1, बी अलर्ट लाइक ए क्रो. कौवे जैसे अलर्ट रहो. स्लीप लाइक ए डॉग. श्वान जैसी निद्रा करो. ईट स्कैंटिली, नॉट लेस, नॉट मोर, which is essential only for your body, and away from the house core. That doesn't mean you should not do your house duties, you should not help your parents and sisters and mothers, but you should be away from all these emotions. Today morning around 7:30, our Adaraniya Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, inaugurated this 7th International Yoga Day. And in that Yoga Day, he has given a small message, and the message says, PM says, yoga is for stress to strength. From stress to strength. Yoga is from negativity to creativity. And health is wealth. And therefore, we are all in Maharashtra. We know one particular mantra. We know one particular sentence in Marathi or Sanskrit. And that says, Arogyam Dhana Sampada. Health is wealth. I come to the end of my session because I know you are all going to do the practicals. You are going to, again, as I said, bend your body to have your straight life, and you are going to have wonderful yoga sessions. I thank the entire college, their administration, the Vivekananda Kendra, Pimpri, Chinchwad, all Karyakartas. I also thank my own Belgaum Center, Shastri ji, Marathe ji, Kiran Rao, and all the people. If I have missed anybody's name, it is not purposeful. It is only because of my age. I am just 66-year-old Kishore. So please pardon me for that. And I again wish all of you a wonderful life, a wonderful day. And this yoga day is not for a day. It is for the entire life, irrespective of your place, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your caste. You know, Corona has killed everybody. Corona went to the huts. Corona went to the palaces. Corona went to the politicians. Corona went to the industrialists. Corona went to the single bedroom, double bedroom, triple bedroom, and everybody. Corona is a secular disease. Yoga is a beautiful secular treatment. It goes to everybody, irrespective of its caste, nation, etc., etc. It is not a religious practice at all. This is a spiritual practice. As I said, Le chale hum vishwa nauka is bhavar se par kar. I once again thank, I congratulate everybody, and I again offer my sincere greetings on this 7th International Yoga Day. And last but not least, I remember one Bollywood song which is as old as 2 years old. देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, अरे मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए. भारत माता की जय. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Kishore Dada, for guiding us and taking us towards the path of dedication and enlightenment. Now I ask all the participants to get ready for the yoga performance. Mr. Avinash Gokhale sir will guide us in the journey of fitness with yoga. Over to you, sir.
Everyone is. I'm audible to all. I'll just give a brief introduction of what sir had told me to stress on breathing. First, you should observe how you are breathing. Breathing, observe your stomach. And breathing in, the stomach should go out, not in. Breathing, fill the stomach with air, then the lungs and the shoulders. That's the three-step breathing. Abdominal breathing, chest breathing, and clavicular breathing. Just observe that. Now we'll start with Shidilikaran Vayam. I would request everyone to stand up. Before starting the exercise, it's good to start with opening prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Sahano Bhunaktu.
Sahano Bhunaktu.
Sahaviryam Karavavahe.
Sahaviryam Karavavahai.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Ma Vidvishavahe.
Ma Vidvishavahai.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Keep the just space between your legs. Hand on a. We'll do start with Grivachala. Exercise for neck.
Dear student, is it audible? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Breathe inside. When you go down, try to touch your chin to the chest. Slowly come up. Back. Breathe in. One more round. Steady position. Now, on your neck to the right. Left. Again to the right. More round. Steady. Again, the next exercise. Turn your face to the right. Then outside exhale. Last round. Now we'll do shoulder exercise. Put your hands together. Hold it for some time. Feel the stress. Release slowly. More round. Breathe in while going up. Breathe out. Last round. Come to this position. Shoulder rotation. Try to touch your shoulder. Touch your ears. Around. Do it anti-clockwise. exercises. The hands up. More time. Whenever you breathe, you can breathe normally, or those who are facing thyroid problem, they can do Ujjayi Shwas. Try to breathe through throat. That will help. Now we'll do some asanas. First of the asana is Tadasana. Stand in steady position. Hands up. Palms should be facing outwards. Stretch it up. Try to stretch it up, up, up. Raise your toes. Hold it in that position for some time. The longer you hold it is better. Slowly come down. Do it one more time. Sthiram Sukham Asana. In the final position, you have to maintain yourself. The maximum you can maintain with a smiling face. There should be no tension on face.
No
That's
stress.
important.
No stress. This is stress reliever.
Next asana is Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is a tree pose. Take your right leg, try to touch it to the perineum. जितना हो सके उतना. Hold it steady.
अजून का?
Pull your body up as if you are holding, catching something. Repeat it with the other leg.
डावा पाय.
This asana is very good for
Yes.
increasing your concentration. Now we'll go for Padhastasana. Yes. Slowly, slowly come down. Bend your abdomen, try to go down as much as possible. Try to touch your toes. Hold it for some time. Slowly release yourself. We'll do it one more time. Okay.
ज्यांना पाठीचा त्रास आहे त्यांनी नका करू.
Yeah, one more thing I would like to stress is that if you have any back problems, better don't do it, and don't force yourself to do something. Try to bend only that much that you can. Now is Trikonasana. Keep your legs 2 to 3 feet apart. Straight. Slowly go down. Try to look at your left hand, or sorry, right hand up. Do it on the other side. Now we'll start with sitting asanas. Come to sitting position. Shithili Dandasana. In this position.
आपल्या क्षमतेप्रमाणे आपल्याला झेपेल तेवढंच करा. आता आज आसनं केली उद्यापासून सुट्टी असं नकोय मला. ऑल द स्टुडंट्स
Just
यू
relax.
आर ऑनलाईन प्रेझेंट.
Relax first. Feel the vibration in whatever parts of the body you have felt the stress. Now fold your legs. Take it. Try to touch it to the perineum.
इतकी नहीं नहीं
Then whatever
Be positive.
take. Hold it in this. This is called as Bhadrasana. The final question, as I said, I stress it that your face should be completely relaxed.
Absolutely स्ट्रेस फ्री. आनंदी राहा. आपल्या आवडत्या व्यक्तीचा चेहरा समोर आणा आसनं करताना. मारुती व्हेरी गुड.
Come back to Shatrughna. Now we'll do Vajrasana. Slowly take your right leg behind the buttocks. Leg. Keep your hands on the knees. This pose is very good for digestion. It is recommended that after lunch, major food intake, lunch, dinner, you have to sit in this pose maximum possible, maybe half an hour if it's possible. Otherwise, at least sit for some time in this pose. And it's advisable that you can close your eyes or you just try to focus on something in front of you so that your mind will not waver anywhere. Slowly release the pose. We'll do Shashankasana. Shashank means rabbit. In Shashankasana, the starting pose is Vajrasana. So we have to sit again in Vajrasana. Open your knees slightly. If you just you have to sit like this. So that maximum you can open your knees. Is it possible?
ज्याला जमत असेल घरी उशी ठेवायची. उशीवर पाय ठेवला तर तुम्हाला जास्त त्रास होणार नाही, जास्त वेळ बसता येईल.
Roll this yoga mat and then put it. That is also that will be easier. Slowly go down. Try to touch your chin to the ground. Slowly release the ball.
माझं जमतंय का? व्हेरी गुड. छान.
Come to Sukhasana.
व्हिडिओ बघणार आहे त्यांना.
रिकॉर्डिंग में भी फायदा नहीं, आपका दिखेगा.
तुम्हाला असं यू आर अंडर कॅमेरा म्हटलं जरा नीट करा असं.
Now we'll do Vakrasana. Come to Shatil Dandasana.
माझं नीट चाललंय.
Put your legs together. Raise your right leg. Twist your body. And take this hand on this side. Try to look behind. Feel the stretch on your spine. Hold it as much as possible. Try to feel the stretch on the spine.
मुलं ऐकताय.
Slowly release the posture. Come back to now raise your left leg. Behind, right hand behind. Feel the stretch. Slowly release the pose. Now we'll come to Makarasana pose. In Makarasana, you have to sleep on a stomach. It's not compulsion to everyone. Those who can do it,
they
can do it.
They can do it. But at least see that what we
I'll
is
show
doing.
it.
At home you can do it comfortably. Not a problem.
In Makarasana, you have to sleep on your stomach. Keep your legs apart. You can either rest like this or on one side. This is a very good resting pose. And from this, we'll go to the next asana, that is Shalabhasana. In Shalabhasana, you have to tighten your fists, take it below the abdomen, and slowly try to raise your legs up. This will help you relieve your back pain. Ensure that your knees should be straight. There should be no bend in the knees. Try to hold that for some time. Holding is the key. Slowly release the pose. Come back to Makarasana. From here we'll go to Setu Bandhasana, other asana. Come back to your back, sleep on the back. Raise your knees. Try to touch your toes to the buttocks. Keep the hands stretched down. Try to take your toes more towards the buttock. Keep your hands like this. Slowly raise your body. Try to hold it in this position. This is called as Setu Bandhasana. Slowly release the pose. This is a very simple asana actually.
Kiran, you are not only organizer, you are doer also.
Last two of asanas, then it's mostly meditation. And show halasana, ardha halasana. Halasana is a bit difficult. Whoever it is possibly can do it. I just show it. Sleep in shavasana position. Slowly raise your legs. This is called as ardha halasana. Try to maintain at this position. At the final position, that is, again I will repeat, Sthiram Sukham Asana. In this position, your face should be completely relaxed. There should be no stress at all. Feel the stretch, feel the stress on the abdomen area.
Do it.
Slowly
Do it. Do it. This is really good for those who are having backache. Backache के लिए बहुत उपयुक्त है.
If you can, then you can just take it, extend it down. Slowly release the pose. Actually, when you do halasana, the complementary asana, you have to go down here. That helps much. The last asana, the simpler one, this is called as
Last bench student.
Again, we have to go back in this position. You can do it first with one leg. Take a leg up.
Pavana Muktasana.
Try to touch your chin to the knees. Hold it at that pose.
Very good.
Slowly release it. Do it with the other leg.
It's very good. And do it simultaneously with the two legs also. See, like this.
With both legs.
And do it like this, what way I am doing Susan. It will reduce your comfort. आता सगळ्यांनी टाळ्या वाजवा म्हणजे चैतन्य येईल.
Okay, as Kiran saying, we'll go in Shavasana now. But
किरणचा आवडतच दिसतंय असं.
Okay, we'll go in Shavasana. Slowly go down. Yeah. Slowly lie down. Legs should be apart and palms facing to the sky. Lie down. Keep your eyes closed. Try to feel the vibrations in the body parts. We have done some asanas today. Just take your observations right from the toes, fingers, knees, abdomen area, chest, face. Relax completely. Just close your eyes and just try to see each and every part of the body.
सर जीभ पण सैल सोडायला सांगा. जीभ
Yeah, पूर्ण चेहरा स्थिर ठेवा.
आणि आतली जीभ पण सैल सोडायची.
Breathe. Just relax. Relax. Relax completely. Let's try to observe your ankles, calf muscles, knees. Relax. Shithi. Take your attention to your abdomen area, your stomach area. Relax. Shithi. Focus your attention on the chest area, shoulders, hands, forearms. Relax. Shithi. Observe your neck muscles, your face, cheeks, nose, forehead, tongue. Shithi. Relax. Slowly get aware of your body. Try to move the fingers of your legs, hands. Take your legs together, hands close to the body. Turn on your left side. Slowly turn on your left side. Keep your right arm in front of you. Slowly get up. Keep your eyes closed. Stay in that pose for some time. Feel the vibrations. Rub your arms, palms together. Sit on your face, body. Slowly looking at the palms, open your eyes. Feeling good? Yes. Now we'll do some breathing practices. First is sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana, whatever is possible. For gents, normally I sit in Siddhasana. In Siddhasana, your knees, your toes should touch the perineum area. If it's possible in Siddhasana, sit in Siddhasana or Padmasana, whatever asana is good for you. In Siddhasana, the Mula chakra is there, that you have to try to stimulate those chakras. मूल, मणिपुर, स्वादिष्टान, अनाहत, विशुद्ध चक्र, सहस्त्रार चक्र. Just normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Observe your breath. While breathing in, the stomach should go out. Fill your lungs with air, maximum possible. Raise your shoulders. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. You can keep a reference like 4 counts in, 8 counts out. The maximum you can lengthen the process of breathing out. It's better. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can do Ujjayi breathing also in this. Now we'll chant 3 times Omkar. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Chanting Omkara, feel the Omkara is coming from the navel region, slowly up, 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 and out through the mouth. Breathe in. Relax. Whenever you are doing meditative poses, it's better you have it in chin mudra or normally hands open. This mudra helps to increase the concentration also. Yeah. Now we'll do Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, you can keep your left hand like this. Keep one hand on your abdomen just to ensure that you're doing it correctly. I hope nobody has cold. If you have cold, you better keep a handkerchief or napkin with you. Observe the abdominal movements. You have to force the air, force out. And keep eyes closed and continue this. Can do count of 30 or 60 depending on your capacity. We'll do one more round of Kapalbhati. If you don't want, you can just keep both your hands in chin mudra. We'll go to the next breathing technique, Anulom Vilom Prana. Keep your left hand in chin mudra, right hand in Nasika mudra. In Nasika mudra, first 2 fingers, they have to be bent. Keep it in your face. Breathe out to the left. Close your right nostril with the down. Breathe in. Close the left nostril. Release through right nostril. Breathe in through right nostril. Breathe out through left. Breathe slowly. Release. You can close your eyes, try to concentrate at the center of the eyebrows. Might turn way over anywhere. Do one more round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. The face should be completely relaxed, a smile on your face. Now we'll go for next technique. What is Bhramari Pranayama? Bhramari Pranayama, there are two techniques. You can do it like normally in this way. Breathe in and release it by saying makar. Don't touch your tongue to the palate. Makar, not nakar. In the other technique, you have to close your eyes, observe, close your nostrils, the lip area. And with the thumb, you have to close your ears so that you can hear your own voice. Breathe in. Observe your voice. One more round of Bhramari. It's a very good stress buster. Just once. Stop for today. Whatever we have done today, I hope you keep it in regular way. The best time for doing asanas is at sunrise time or at the sunset time. I forgot one more asana, that's Surya Namaskar. That is the best exercise for everyone. Surya Namaskar, how much ever possible. You can start with 1, 2, minimum 12 should be done by everyone, and it is applicable to all gents and ladies. Practice your asanas daily, see the benefits. It's not that, okay, I started today and I want to see the benefits. You have to give some time for it. So maybe 3 months is the minimum period. After that only you can see the benefits of yoga. Make it a habit, make yoga a way of life. Close. Happy International Yoga Day to everyone. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. Now I would like to request Ms. Aruna Marathi for the brief about Vivekananda Kendra. Over to you, ma'am.
Arunatai. Arunatai.
त्या बहुतेक दिसत नाहीयेत.
त्या आता जॉईन होत्या सर, पण आता त्या व्हिडिओ पण ऑन होता त्यांचा, पण आता त्या पुन्हा लेफ्ट झालेल्या दिसतात.
ठीक आहे.
असू दे, नाहीतरी 15-20 मिनिटं झालेले आहेत, तुम्ही वाइंड अप करा.
ओके.
ओके चालेल. आल्या
आल्या बघा, आल्या बघा.
अनम्यूट करा.
अरुणाताई.
हॅलो.
हा
हा बोला.
हॅलो, तुम्ही
हॅलो.
ऐकू येतंय अरुणाताई?
हो ऐकू येतंय.
बोला.
नाही, तुम्हाला बोलायचंय पुढची 5 मिनिटं.
हो, तुम्हाला विवेका
आहे का?
हो तुम्ही सांगा.
वेळ आहे का?
हो विवेकानंद केंद्राविषयी 2 मिनिटात सांगितलं तरी चालेल. आपण काय करतो चिंचवडला.
ओके. नमस्कार. खरं म्हणजे विवेकानंद केंद्रातर्फे एक दोनदा आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये येऊन गेलेली आहे. तरी पण आज योगा दिनानिमित्त म्हणून किरणताईंनी सांगितलंय 2 शब्द बोलायचे म्हणून बोलते. ऐकू येत आहे? बोलू?
हो ऐकू येतंय.
बोला
हॅलो.
तुम्ही.
हा.
मराठे मॅडम बोला तुम्ही.
आज योगा दिनानिमित्त म्हणून आपण हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला होता, पण काही कनेक्शनच्या चुका झाल्यामुळे मी बोलू शकले नाही. तरी पण आता 2 शब्द बोलतीये. हा योग दिन आपण साजरा का करतोय? तर योग ही एक आदर्श जीवन प्रणाली आहे आणि आपल्या सर्व देशामध्ये फार पुरातन काळापासून त्याचा अवलंब होतोय. पण आता काही कारणांनी आपण काही नवीन गोष्टी अंगीकारल्यामुळे मागे पडलो होतो. पण आपल्या देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी युनो मध्ये हा विषय मांडला आणि 21 जून हा योगा दिवस म्हणून साजरा करावा असं ठरलं आणि 175 देशांनी यासाठी पाठिंबा दिला आणि हे विधेयक पास झालंय. युनोच्या सर्व इतिहासात एवढ्या देशांचा पाठिंबा मिळवणारे हे पहिलेच विधेयक आहे आणि त्यानंतर आपल्या देशात जरा जास्त अभ्यास याचा सुरू झाला. विवेकानंद केंद्राच्या आयामांमध्ये योग ह्या विषयाला सर्वात प्रथम स्थान दिले आहे. विवेकानंद केंद्र योग शिक्षण, प्रकाशन, ग्रामविकास, नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस डेव्हलपमेंट, पर्यावरण संरक्षण वगैरे या सर्व विषयांमध्ये काम करते आणि विवेकानंद केंद्राने हे मुख्य विषय ठरवले आहेत त्यांच्या कामासाठी. विवेकानंदाचे केंद्राचे एक मुख्य ध्येय आहे मनुष्य निर्माण आणि राष्ट्र पुनरुत्थान आणि यासाठीच गेले 70 वर्षापासून हे काम सुरू आहे. आपल्याला माहित आहे कन्याकुमारी येथे 3 सागरांच्या संगमावर विवेकानंद शिला स्मारक उभे राहिले. त्यानंतर एकनाथजींनी असा विचार केला की हे विचार प्रत्यक्षात उतरवण्यासाठी काय करावं आणि म्हणून त्यांनी विवेकानंद केंद्राची स्थापना केली. आज विवेकानंद केंद्राच्या 1300हून जास्त शाखा भारतभर काम करत आहेत. चिंचवडला विवेकानंद केंद्र गेले 40 वर्ष काम करते आहे. विवेकानंद केंद्राचे जे 5 उत्सव आहेत ते इथे प्रामुख्याने साजरे केले जातात. विवेकानंद जयंती, विश्व बंधुत्व दिन, साधना दिवस, गीता जयंती आणि गुरुपौर्णिमा. या व्यतिरिक्त चिंचवडला राष्ट्रभक्ती गीत स्पर्धा, समूह गीत स्पर्धा आणि वक्तृत्व स्पर्धा वगैरे अनेक स्पर्धांचे आयोजन होते. युवकांसाठी भारतीय संस्कृती परीक्षा घेतली जाते. ध्येय एकच की या देशाचे तरुण आदर्श विचारांचे, बलसंपन्न, ध्येयनिष्ठ व सामर्थ्यशाली व्हावे. तो विवेकानंद केंद्राचं हे काम आज इतके वर्ष या ठिकाणी सुरू आहे. अनेक सेवा कार्य पण केली जातात. जसं काही रक्तदान शिबिर घेतलं जातं. कोरोनाच्या काळात तर आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी झोकून देऊन काम केलं. आज आपण हा योग दिन साजरा करतो आहोत. आपण एक संकल्प करूया की आजपासून एक चैतन्यमय जीवनाची सुरुवात करूया आणि योग विवेकानंदांनी म्हटलं होतं की मला ध्येयाने भरलेले राष्ट्रभक्त असे एक 100 युवक द्या, मी या देशाचं चित्र बदलून दाखवेन. मला असे एक विश्वास वाटतो की ह्या तुम्हा विद्यार्थ्यांमधूनच हे आदर्श असे युवक उभे राहतील आणि या देशाचं नाव इतकं उन्नत करतील की हा देश जगद्गुरु होईल. धन्यवाद. नमस्कार सर्वांना.
थँक्यू अरुणाताई.
हॅलो, नमस्कार अरुणाताई. आज तुमची चैतन्यमय उपस्थिती आम्हाला जास्त आवडली असती, पण करोनाच्या प्रादुर्भावामुळे तुम्ही आज आला नाही. पण तुमचा असाच आशीर्वाद आणि विवेकानंद केंद्राची मदत आमच्या विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षकांबरोबर राहू दे, अशी मी तुम्हाला विनंती करतो आणि तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
श्रद्धा.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Arunatai, for introducing us to Vivekananda Kendra. And thank you, Avinash sir, for enthusiastic performance and telling us the main motive of yoga. Now, I would like to call Abhay Kulkarni sir to felicitate Avinash Dada for wonderful session.
Thank you very much. अरे असू दे, तुम्ही काय मी करायला पाहिजे.
येस श्रद्धा.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Kiran ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
श्रद्धा,
Yes, sir.
हा कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनाईज केल्याबद्दल किरणरावचेही आपण कौतुक करूया. किरणराव मॅडम या त्या विवेकानंद केंद्राच्या पण स्वयंसेविका आहेत, मला माहित नव्हतं. व्हेरी गुड, छान.
अगदी बरोबर, अगदी बरोबर. किरणराव डिझर्व्स इट 100%.
थँक्यू. येस.
Now, and
Now
here,
I request
yes.
Kiran ma'am to promote vote of thanks.
Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present before you the yoga, for celebrating Yoga Day. I will first of all like to thank Vivekananda Kendra volunteers, Supriya Tai for the for the prayers, Jagjit Dada for Vivek Vani, Kishore Dada for insightful thoughts, Avinash Dada for demonstration, Aruna Tai for briefing us about the program, Pavan sir from Yashasvi who are not online, but still his extended support was able to deliver this lecture and the program so successfully. Pundalik Mate Dada, who also volunteer of Vivekananda Kendra. MCA department, Vandana ma'am, Mate sir and Matpati sir for the arrangement in the auditorium, Jyoti ma'am and MBA faculties, my ASR team, Rushikesh, Rohan and Shraddha for their continuous support, Sagar Dada and Maushi for the arrangement in the auditorium. Thank you all. Thank you so much for this wonderful program. We will conclude program with the prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः,
सर्वे सन्तु निरामया,
सर्वे सन्तु निरामया,
भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
सर्व उपस्थित विद्यार्थ्यांचं आभार आणि योग हे मगाशी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे सातत्याने ठेवण्याचा उपक्रम आणि शरीराचा जसा भाग आहे तसा आपल्या जीवनाचा अविभाज्य घटक झाला पाहिजे अशी आपण प्रतिज्ञा करूया। मला खूप आनंद आहे की आज सर्व विद्यार्थी जवळजवळ 112 विद्यार्थी ऑनलाईन उपस्थित आहेत। इथे शिक्षक 20-25 उपस्थित आहेत। मला सांगायला खूप आनंद वाटतो गोखले सर, आज सकाळी 7:20 सिटी प्राईड ज्युनियर कॉमर्स कॉलेजचा असाच आज आम्ही कार्यक्रम घेतला होता। 82 विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी 76 विद्यार्थी 7:20 ला उपस्थित होते आणि शेवटी 82 उपस्थित होते विद्यार्थी होते। आणि मला सांगायला खूप आनंद वाटतो की 2 विद्यार्थी कॉमर्सचे 12वी कॉमर्सचे चिन्मय जोशी आणि सायली गोखले या दोघा मित्रांनी सगळ्यांना डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन केलं 7:30 ते 8 आणि अतिशय स्पॉन्टॅनियस न थांबता आणि त्याची महत्व समजून सांगितलं। आणि दोघंही ऑनलाईन होते, आम्ही सगळेच ऑनलाईन होतो, पण माझ्या मते हे विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचतंय आणि अशी आपली संस्कृती आहे। तर तुम्ही आलात विवेकानंद केंद्राने अशीच उपस्थिती आणि कार्यक्रम आमच्या बरोबर ठेवावे म्हणजे आपली भारताची उज्ज्वल परंपरा आहे ती या पुढच्या पिढीपर्यंत नेण्यास आपण मदत करूया। ज्यांनी योग केला आहे खरोखरी त्यांना आज ब्रेकफास्ट